Hi there, guys. This is Mr. Crowe, and these are your instructions on how to access the reading questions. You'll be getting these reading questions for just the first 5 chapters, and then as we move our way through the course and the text, you'll have access to all of the reading questions. This will allow you to get ahead if you really want to. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here in this screencast is we'll be showing you how to retrieve, make a copy of, rename, and share the reading question files with me. A couple of things before we start. As I note in the course introduction that you should have read by now, all questions need to be answered in order to earn full credit, so please make sure you do that. In your responses, also please make sure you change the color of the font to blue or something that's easy for me to read so I can tell the difference between where the question ends and where your response to the question begins. Some of the questions are going to require a pretty short response and others longer. Most of the questions will require more space than what is provided for you in the document. You can add as much as you need to. Just make sure you adequately answer each question. One more thing, make sure to use the terms and summaries given at the beginning of each chapter that come before the questions. They will help you in better understanding how to answer the questions, and they'll also add to class discussion. So make sure you make use of those terms and those summaries. Okay, so you should have 2 emails from me. This one that you got with the screencast, and the other one will be the notification that I've shared a file with you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is in your email you'll see, for example here, that you received an email that I've shared with you. So you just open the email, and then you'll see I've shared a series of different folders and individual files with you. The one you want to click on is Pageant Reading Questions. Go ahead and click on that. And it will give you access to those questions. It'll look just like this. All you need to do is click on the small sample. Then you'll be given a read-only version of the document first. This will be changed here, don't worry about that. The next thing you need to do once your screen looks like this is you go to the lower right hand corner, click open, and a Google Word document will open. This is what you will be working and putting your responses in. So to save your own copy, you just go to the upper left corner, click File, click Make a Copy, and you will rename it whatever your name is. So for example, let's see, I already have my name there, so chapter 1 through 5 reading questions. So make sure you name every set of reading questions that you turn in and complete with your first and last name in front of the chapters that you've completed. Click OK. And now you have your own copy of the reading questions. As you can see, they're renamed after me. You don't need to save. This updates automatically as you do the work, as I'm sure you guys know. So that is how you create your own copy of the file. In order to share it with me so I can see it, you can see I've used my son's Gmail account. You just go ahead and click the share button, the blue share button in the upper right corner. You see that you will be the owner. In this case, he's the owner. You want to invite me. My email address is the same as before, the Spruce42. I'll go down here and click on that, make it a little quicker. You share it with me. Then the other thing you need to do that's very important is on the pull-down menu to the right, click Can Comment. That allows me to comment to your document, but I won't be able to make any actual changes. Okay, and then you can go ahead and click Share and Save. Click Done. Well, before you do that, you'll be able to see that you've now shared the file with me and I am allowed to comment on it. Click Done, and you are all set. You can now go ahead and enter your responses where the questions begin. As you'll see, the questions begin under where it says Guided Reading Questions, the chapter, and then you'll start to see the questions. These terms that say no are key terms that you will need to know. They'll be very helpful. There's no formal assignment as far as knowing them. They'll help you answer each question. As I said before, please, I just showed you with my quick example here of they. Please make sure you color the font in your responses a different color so I can tell where your answers are. And again, you'll have more space as you type for these answers. So please make sure you make use of space if you need any more. Don't feel like that's all you have. So that is the way to create your own copy of the reading questions and allow me to see them. Please remember that these are due when we get back to school. They need to be completed, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will respond to you as quickly as I possibly can. I'll be contacting you through email with a few other things you're going to need to do. For right now, this is just how to access my Google Drive and the few things I've shared on there. Feel free to look around. There's a few other things I've shared. Some folders have nothing in them yet, but as far as answering the questions and doing the homework, this is how to complete that. Okay, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Enjoy your reading and hope your holiday is fun, and enjoy.